Assalamu alaikum. This is actually MTS-86 processor. It is actually a processor of Intel 8086. You can emulate anything that you can do on 8086 processor on this emulator. Okay. So first I will tell you three basic things that you will need to write any program. Okay. First is examine register. So this will tell you about all the registers. What are the values in it? Okay. So first, if you want to check AX register, you can put any value in there. Okay. And then if you want to go on to next register, you can use this comma and you can check all the registers. Okay. So you can put values up to DX for your operations. Okay. And if you want to go back, you can do this dot and you can go back. Okay. Or to write a program, you go to examine byte and you give the starting address. We'll see in a moment how we do it. But you give a starting address, you put this comma, you press this comma, and then start writing your code here. Okay. And once you are done, you put this dot again. Okay, so this is some gibberish value. You just put the dot again, go back, and then you go to this ST, press 3, okay, and then you start this from the same address, and then you put, then you press this comma again, and this will actually execute the code. Okay, so now we understand the basics. And when you are stuck anywhere, okay, so if you are stuck anywhere, you could just press the reset button, and it will take you back to the starting menu. Okay, so to write on this emulator, you first have to write code on emu8086. So you have to install this. So let us first write a program, a simple program. You select com template, okay, and then you write your code here, okay, and then you just type move. This is just a simple program that move values between two registers, okay. So this will move value from AX to BX, okay. When we are done, we click on emulate, okay, and then we give some value to B, so we could see that it is being moved after we execute the instruction. Okay, just press the single step and you see our instruction is executed, and you see that X now got the same value as BX. So we have successfully moved the values between two registers. Okay, so now do one more step, so your program will end. Okay, what's better is if you write HLT here. Okay, this is a more better way to write the code. So once again, emulate, okay, give any value to BX like 03. Okay, this value has to be hexadecimal value. Okay, this can't be a decimal value. Single step, you see, halt, and now the program is halted. Okay, so now you know the ending part of the program. Okay, the whole program ends from here and starts from there. So there are 3 total steps. Now we write the same instructions in our 8086. Okay, so first we put the value into BX register. Okay, like we did there, we go to X, then go to BX, and we put any value there. Okay, I say 02. Okay, so we go back. Now if you check X, there is this value. Okay, and in BX there is this 2. Okay, now we go back and now we write our program into this examine byte. Okay, so we start from 100, we press this comma, okay, and now we write these 3 instructions. Okay, our program starts from here and ends from there. So 100 is this starting address. Okay, and now we put these values. Okay, so our first instruction was add B at 100 address. Okay, then go to the next byte 101. Okay, now if you go there, we see there is C3. We have to type C3 there. Okay, C3. Okay, and then on 102 there is F4, and that is actually the halt instruction. It is being highlighted in blue. That means this is where all our programs end. Okay, so if you don't know where your program ends, just click on run, and then it will highlight you where it will end. Okay, so we type F4. Okay, we will execute this instruction as well using this comma. Okay, now we go back. So we have successfully put our instructions into the memory. Okay, so 2 steps are done. First, we put our values into the examine register, mean into the registers. Then we wrote our program into examine byte. Okay, and now we have to execute it. We press this 3 or ST. Okay, segment offset data, and then we give the same address from which we started our program. Okay, so it was 100. Okay, and now I press this to execute it. Okay, and now there were only 2 instructions, so now they are executed. Okay, so our program is executed. Now we go back and now we examine our registers again to see if our program had worked. Okay, if you know from previously that we wrote a simple program that move value between two register. So now our AX and BX should have same values. Okay, now if you go to examine register and AX, you see 002 and now 002. So we have successfully written our first program. Okay, so this is it, guys. See you soon. Okay.